we're taking a look here at the Intermodal Transportation Facility West. Now, you can actually park here. The parking lot's finished, but also it's not just a parking lot, it is one of the major stops for the people mover system. And we'll take a look at the station here that looks like it's been making significant progress. You can see as the rail line makes its way over by the Sheraton and Century Boulevard, swings its way here. This is the first, besides the 3 APM stations, this is the first major stop. And then after this stop, you're gonna have a couple of additional stops, one over by the Airport Metro Connector, and then followed by the Rent A-Car facility, which should be opening pretty soon. But wow, this is looking pretty fabulous. So it's pretty nice getting a close-up look of what one of these facilities will look like eventually. They basically have the white roofs. Not sure if this has skylights, we'll have to take a look. But it has some nice glossy siding in addition to some of the clear glass. Glory waving in the afternoon breeze. And you can see inside there some of the parking lot portion of the Intermodal Transportation Facility. See a lot of sheathing going up. There's some sheathing here below the stairway. Some more sheathing here. I think this is an elevator shaft. I don't work here, but I'm just taking wild guesses. And then yes, you can see there are more of those skylights, so it's the theme of pretty much all these stations. So in addition to this ITF-West, there's also a bus terminal. All kinds of different buses coming in and out here. Free shuttles. If you want to park here, you can take a shuttle to LAX, or if you land from LAX and you've parked here previously, you can get shuttled back here for free, pay your parking, and get on home. There's a big blue bus going by. You can see they have a couple of pedestrian bridges from the station to the parking lot. Now here's the sign that signifies the LAX economy parking. They don't put ITF on there, I'm not sure why.